हेलो फोक्सेस, क्या हाल। आज मैं बहुत दिनों बाद बाहर से वीडियोस बनाई, बहुत दिनों बाद नहीं, पिछले हफ्ते मैंने बनाई थी, बट इट इज़ सो नाइस। आई केम टू पार्क टू ट्रैप टावर टू मीट अ फ्रेंड एंड इट इज़ सच अ ग्लोरियस डे, लेट मी शो इट टू यू। बहुत ही प्यारा मौसम हो रहा है आज। अच्छा, तो मुझे आज बात ये करनी थी कि देयर हैज़ बीन एन इंक्रीज इन ट्रोलिंग विच इज़ कॉजिंग अ लॉट ऑफ एंजाइटी, अ लॉट ऑफ negativity, a lot of hurt in people, especially content creators. Recently I saw 3 bloggers, different countries, different platforms, breaking down because they just can't seem to do it. Farah, who does beauty, then there is Kusha, who does satire. There's so many, there are different demographics, different, everything is different, just the common factor is trolling. So I thought let's just once and for all understand what trolling is and what is constructive criticism. तो जब आपको जो उनका मीडियम है, जो उनका टॉपिक ऑफ डिस्कशन है, जो जिस बारे में बात करते हैं, if you have no idea about it, if you're not an expert, तो आपको कोई you don't have a right to basically come out and say anything to them. दूसरी बात, अगर आपका whatever you have to say is not adding to the discussion, if it's not helping anybody become better, calling somebody fat or calling somebody infertile or calling somebody an ugly bitch is just not constructive. You're not helping anybody, you're essentially trolling. Of course everybody has freedom of expression, you have a right to your opinion, but at the same time you also have a responsibility to be kind towards another person just because they are a public figure or they are a content creator or they have opened themselves to public, at least a part of their lives, does not mean that you have a right to come in and start saying all sort of negative, spew hate, spew things which help no one but your own ego. So that's trolling essentially. और हालत इतनी ख़राब है कि not just people who are alive, people have been trolling Zara Abid, who's not even amongst us anymore. So this needs to stop. And these are not people who essentially are faceless. These are people who are amongst us who have an opinion, and it is good to have an opinion. It is, you have a right to express, but just make sure that you are adding to somebody's life. Also, you can say the most negative thing in the most positive way. आपको लगता है कि something is going to add to somebody's life, but that is not particularly the nicest thing to say. You can DM it to them, you can send a direct message and you can say that this is what I think, and because I sort of do follow you, I like your work, this is my constructive criticism for you. There's that. और अगर आपने कमेंट्स में ही जाके बकवास करनी है तो एटलीस्ट बी नाइसर अबाउट इट, एटलीस्ट बी काइंड एंड चूज़ योर वर्ड्स वाइसली. बचपन में सिखाते थे कि चूज़ योर वर्ड्स वाइसली. डू इट नाउ, डोंट फॉरगेट दैट लेसन. तो जस्ट if you have something negative to say, there are ways to say. Just be nicer, that's all I'm saying. Just don't forget kindness, don't forget that karma is a bitch. It will come back to you, back in the ass, if you are not kind to somebody else who is anyway struggling with different things. Matlab, the kind of things people say, kal raat ko I felt physically sick when I was reading comments under Womanistan's post on Huma, on Uzma Khan, because it was, I can't believe people have that in themselves to actually come and say things like this. I was physically sick, my stomach churned literally, and I thought today I need to come out and talk about it because trolling is just not okay. It doesn't matter what side of history you want to be on, but just be kind, that's all I'm saying. For clarity's sake, I just want to once again explain what trolling is. Trolling is every time that you post something inflammatory, something offensive, something extraneous, something that you want, it could even be off topic, just to get somebody to react emotionally, just to get somebody to be offended. And the whole idea is कि emotional response उनसे आए ताकि आपकी जो बकवास बात है, that just becomes a highlight of the discussion or the topic. So that is trolling. How do you not become a troll? You essentially, if you have something negative to say, if you have criticism, message them personally. If you have to do it on a public forum, then make sure that you use your words kindly. 4 मिनट की फेम के लिए किसी का मेंटल पीस ना बर्बाद करें, मेहरबानी करके किसी को बुरा ना फील कराएं, किसी को don't try to upset them for the sake of your for the sake of a laugh. It's not funny. Unkindness, it's just not funny. It says a lot about you, and you should know that internet is a lot transparent that you think. आपने अगर कुत्ते की शक्ल लगाई है अपने डिस्प्ले पिक्चर पे, तो does not mean that people can't trace it back to you. People can. Technology has advanced a lot where trolls can be identified. So just don't think you can hide behind a silly picture and just say all that you want to say. You can't. Just be kind, please. Just, yeah, be kind.